No sunglasses needed today.
Not yet.
Hopefully it'll brighten up. First post-surgery auction.
Back red bitter rocks.
This is down to 61% already. I was not expecting all these smalls. Wow. Saw Mike already.
Hey guys.
How are you, Mike?
Good, yourself?
Good.
Nice to see you up and around.
No, I'm flying solo. She had to take my niece and nephew. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, exactly. That's what your father has to do. I mean, every other Saturday, she takes practice items or, you know, she had to do that. It's nice day as kids. Even our oh, that packs nice.
Yeah. Cool. Holy milk glass. Is this today too? Oh shit.
Yeah, Friday was today. So, first, take one.
No.
There are a couple nice pieces in there though.
Holy smackerel. Nothing.
Drop from.
Another bale to do, but I'm going to give one to do, but I'm going to give one to do, the three, but I'm going to give the three. I got two back there, now three, now four, now four, now five. A five, now so now I'm going to give the 10, I'm going to give the 10, 10, 10. Andrew's in, so up and now 10. I said, I'm going to give the 10, mom, I'm going to give the 10. I said, you wait, 7 and a half, 7 and a half. Hey, right there, we're going to give the 2 and 3. I'm going to give the 3, I'm going to give the 3, I'm going to give the 4, I'm going to give the 3 and 4, I'm going to give the 3 and 4. I'm going to give the 4, I'm going to give the 4. I said, you wait, for the guys, we got the ham sign right there. Guys, it needs a new bulb or a new switch to be put in it. Buy it that way. Guys, nice shape though. You bet right there, everybody, right there. $50 bill, like you said. Now 60. A $50 bill, $60 bill. A $60 bill, 50. What I'm gonna give now 60. What I'm gonna give 70. What I'm now 80. A 70, 80, 90, 90, now 100. A 90 now 100. Now 110, 110, 121, 21, 21, 20. Get 120 into now 130. A 130, 40. A 140, 150. A 150. What I'm gonna give 50. What I'm gonna give 140, 50. What I'm gonna give 50. A 141, 51, 51, 51, 51, 50. Sold you weight on a $20 bill. Hey, what I have, put it in. Hey, right there, that's cast iron, ain't it? You bet, right there, what am I going to buy 10? I'm going to get somebody in. I'm going to get that 10, 10, 15, what am I going to get 50, what am I going to get all the ends, you're going to get 15, what am I going to get 50, now 20, now 20, now 5, 5, 25, now 30, now 30, now 30, now 5, now 35, now 40, now 40, now 40, 40, now 5, 5, 45, 45, Andrew out, 40, now 50, now 5, 5, 5, now 50, now 50, now 50, now 50, now 50, now 5, now 50, now 55, 60, now 55, now 65, now 60, now 5, I'm going to get now 70, what am I going to get 70, bomb, what am I going to get now 70, sold you weight, $65. Hey, more comic book fans. I bet you now 20, 20, 20, what am I going to get 50, now 20, what am I going to get 50, 20. I bet you now 20, what am I going to get 50, 20, what am I going to get 25. At 25, what am I going to get 25, what am I going to get 25. So, I said sold $20.
So far, I've stayed way under budget. It's going a little high, not a lot of stuff I'm interested in, but man, it feels good to be out. And we'll have more after these messages.
Come on, pick up. Honey, listen, I'm gonna miss the game. You've got to tape it for me, please.
Sure.
So, you got a cell phone. Smart.
Channel 26.
Hello?
Oh, it's not Ameritech.
Thanks.
Hello?
Gotta go, bye.
Y is for yodel.
Better go with Ameritech, not some new company. Now get a free phone, free nights, and weekends all year. Ameritech, your link to better communication.
13. Lisa, you're gone. Yeah, who was less? Just again, 2 and 3. After that, we're going to 3, we're going to 3, power, we're going to 3 up bar. After that,
Well, that's the end of day 1 of this auction. Actually, it's day 2 of the auction. We missed day 1. And it's a 3-day auction. We're still trying to decide if we're coming back tomorrow. So, I guess the next thing to do is take a look at what we got. Marcy's sick today, so I thought I'd stay home with her. But I'll show you the haul, short and sweet. She picked up a couple of wool rugs that we're going to just use to protect the carpeting we got last summer. This is also Marcy's purchase. She got these 3 portraits. There's a Norman Rockwell. I think this is a Christmas picture in a nice frame. And I don't know what this is. She got 2 identical oil lamps that we might just use ourselves. She picked these up. It's just the 2 of them, True Story and True Romance. For one thing, it helped her kill time during the slow times of the auction. But we also love to look at these old magazines, primarily for the advertisements. Cut them out, frame them, or not frame them, but put them in plastic and sell them. Got these very cool vintage plastic Halloween decorations. We find Christmas ones all the time, and people like those as well. I'm guessing these ones could be worth bigger money because you don't see Halloween ones very often. So I'm pretty excited to look those up. And then some die-cut holiday stuff. This weird promotional thing. It says famous automobiles on the top, and they're actually jar lids with different cars on them. And there's 8 of them here on this little display. And then I got this tin with a bunch more. Probably some duplicates, I don't know. And hopefully that's just weird enough and rare enough that it'll bring some money. Now these all came together. These cool glass paperweights with birds in them. Got 3 of those, and this is just a framed picture, but whatever kind of bird that is, it's made out of real feathers. Style number 518. Tray of tools I got really cheap. And I like these I can sell for something. These old 10-inch pry bars. These shears will probably sell if I clean them up and look for a name on them. The rest of these are pretty much just punches and chisels for the most part. What do you call these? Spike, a railroad spike. These 2 flats I got for nothing. Thank you, Hawkeye Mike. Mike bought this lot. There was one thing he wanted out of there. And I actually did offer to buy the rest from him. But he said, take it. This freaking vicious looking thing is called a dibble, I believe. And it's for planting, like flower bulbs and other things. But yeah, punch that into the ground and plant your bulbs. Could also be a nasty weapon, I think. Like there's a corn husker here. I believe this is a corn husking thing as well. These other things, well, that's a can opener, obviously, and a corkscrew. But there's a lot of things in here that I'm clueless on. They might have, there's another chisel. I needed more chisels. There's a vampire killer. I don't know if this is a nutcracker or a garlic press or something. No clue. No clue. This looks like some kind of binder. This is the one I'm really interested in, though. Little tin. It's almost like a tin envelope. But you open it up and it's got these metal combs inside. I'm clueless what those are. Henry Taylor. Oh, they're from England. Yeah, I can't read that. Graining combs. Famed for excellent. Okay, so they're graining combs, in case you didn't know. Thanks for stopping by. We'll keep this short this week. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Watch the Beardos if you like. And stay healthy, everyone. Bye. Hello. He landed $4, 5, 6, 7. That's Hawkeye Mike, because he likes the Hawkeyes. These guys are the don't. Okay, but it's all good. It's all good.